At GCI Engineered Solutions, we've spent over 32 years helping some of the biggest names in manufacturing solve their toughest torque reaction and lift assist challenges. With more than 7,000 projects delivered, we've built a reputation as an engineering partner manufacturers can rely on. Unlike off-the-shelf products or overbuilt equipment, every solution we deliver is custom engineered to be just right for your application. Everything is designed, machined, fabricated, painted, assembled, and packed in-house right here at GCI. That gives us control over quality, keeps projects on schedule, and allows us to host run-offs so you know your solution is proven before it ships. Our team isn't made up of sales reps. We're engineers and designers across the board. That means we're focused on solving your problems, not pushing products. Think of us as an extension of your engineering team, supporting you through the entire project lifecycle. GCI is family-owned and operated, and we take pride in being the go-to supplier our clients trust, whether the project is large or small. If you're looking for safer, more ergonomic solutions built by engineers for engineers, we'd love to work with you.